Hey guys, welcome back to Chickens with Emily and Jack. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the big subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the ding-a-lingy bell. If you do all that, you can become part of our chicken squad. Just put it in the comments down below and you're gonna be part of it. Okay, so as you can see, we got all of the coop built except for the roof. We have to get the metal part. So let me give you a tour. So when you come over here, you have the steps, and then the first thing you see is the door. If you walk around here, you can see the side, and this is one side of the hen house, which is where we pull down to get that door open. It is open right now because our chickens are inside. I'll talk about that later. And then when you go around this side, you see the front part of the hen house that is sealed shut with this thingy. I will show you inside. This is inside the hen house. Right now there's only 2 chickens in there. We have a water that's, I guess, empty. We have to fix that. And I guess only 2 chickens. And so we just lock that back up. And then down here we have something that we can clean it out. And then so down here you can see the chickens. Hey chickens. And then over here is another side of the hen house and another place where you can see the chickens. So here's another side, and the door we enter, which is also sealed by
Carabiner.
one of these.
Carabiner.
A carabiner. Okay. We're calling our coop the Coop de Ville. Okay. So what we have in here is obviously our ladder. Looks like one of the chickens in there came out. This is one of our nicest chickens, which is Pepper. She likes staying up on the roost. So then we have 2 more windows over here. The ladder, as you can see, chicken in there. This is the door. We have some latches here for when we want to clean out the ladder. And then over here is where they take their dust baths. This is where they have to figure out what it is, because right now they're just eating the white stuff, which is supposed to keep all the bugs away. But then we have another one of these thingies. And some water hooked up to it. And then we have the same thing except for food. And then that, we have 12 chickens. Right now there's 11 down here, 1 in there. We have another food right here because we ended up getting 4 of the food and water things. The other water is in there, which is empty, which we have to fill up. And oh, last thing. Well, almost the last thing. So this, if you get trapped in there, in here, and you lock yourself in here, just pull the wire and the door opens. So the last and final thing is not hooking up this. It's one more thing. Okay. Over here. Over here is our compost pile, which is where we empty out all of the dirty wood chips. And oh, right. That was not it. We also have 3 places to sit. here and just watch the chickens peacefully. Hang up here. Can I have the camera there? Over here, if we step up here, we can open up the window and see inside. There's one of our chickens who does not want to come out. Yeah. So, and then some of the process we didn't show you because we were way too busy with the coop. That's why we haven't posted a video in a long time. This is to hold the window up when we need to. Like this. There. And it stays so we can look inside and look at our chickens. So, let's show you our chicken's point of view of the camera. We'll see it in the coop. Okay, so now that we're back in the coop, we're going to look at some of the chickens' views. So, just like zoom in. This is Shorty. She is the smallest of all of our chickens. She does not like the camera. And here, oh, let's get a close-up of Pepper. Wait, we can like zoom in. Okay, now go under. Let's get a good look at Pepper, which is up on the roost. Okay, now let's take a good look over here at one of our biggest ones. I don't think we got a good look at one of our black ones yet, did we? Oh!
Uh-oh.
So, that is one of our black ones. They are the biggest chickens that we have. They're almost full grown. So, yeah. So, since it's almost our video, they're almost going to bed. Almost all of them are in there. Well, 8 are still out, I think. 3 are in there. So, 9 are still out. We'll end the video outside of the coop. Don't forget the most important thing. Don't forget to lock up the coop. So, now that it's the end of the video, we hope you good luck with your chickens. It's not the end yet. We'll keep on updating you on how they're doing. They're not going to start laying eggs until about August or September. So, you can go and order some eggs on our website, which is backyardchickens.com. Wait, what is it? Backyard Fresh Chickens at backyardfresteggs.com. So, we hope you good luck, and we'll see you in our next video. Oh yeah, about my arm. I fell off the bar on my swing set, and I broke my elbow. So, now we'll see you next time. Bye!